All right, first we got the roll-up signs, all right? Brace, 2 pieces, all right? 2 pieces. One thicker than the other ones, all right? First thing you wanna do, you wanna make sure you're in the right side. I will put the thicker side on the bottom. It's like playing pool, you know what I mean? Slide it on in there. You pick them up, you know, you wanna turn them around. You always wanna find something to brace to, see? Because it's flexible. This is how you get it on, okay? You put your feet out, you know, and you twist it. That's how you get it on, okay? Now you wanna get it off, same process, just opposite, you know what I mean? Same process, you wanna stick your hand in there, get a little room to get that foot in there, you know what I mean? Bend them easily. I mean, it's just that easy. Rock and roll, baby.